talking about the mark sheet. See, this is a file for the mark sheet for the students. Okay, so here to merge the cell, here 3 columns. See here the D7, here the E7, here the F7. Now I want to merge the whole cell into one, so go to there, the merge, and this is the into the one cell. Okay, D7, and here the content, maybe you write into the cell left, center, or from the right, so it's better for the center. See here I'm writing A, here writing B, here writing C. If 3 column has the content, then you can't merge into one column, but text only the leftmost. See here, showing merging cell only keeps the upper left. This one you can see here. Okay, so this will come. So if you want to the more, so here write A, B, C, and merge into the 3 column, then 3 column, then it merge into 3 column, and it is written into the center, left, right. So this topic covers the how to merge the cell.